Intro: The Basel Committee, the global body that sets banking standards, is reconsidering how banks should treat crypto assets. And the timing could reshape the relationship between traditional finance and digital currencies. A Bloomberg report says the committee planned to update guidance on banks' interaction with digital assets in 2022, driven in large part by a rapid rise in stablecoins. Regulatory oversight. The Basel Committee's review aims to bring the global banking framework up to date with the realities of crypto assets. Central banks and national regulators are already wrestling with how digital currencies affect monetary policy, payment systems, and financial stability. Clearer international standards would give banks and supervisors a common baseline for assessing risks and responsibilities. Stablecoin surge. Stablecoins, cryptocurrencies pegged to traditional assets like the US dollar, have grown explosively because they combine crypto rails with price stability. They're widely used for cross-border transfers, trading, and digital remittances, and their growing prominence has made regulators take notice of how they interact with the banking system. Banks' response. Historically, many banks have stayed cautious because of volatility and regulatory uncertainty. But as stablecoins gain real-world utility, banks are rethinking risk management and commercial strategies. Updated Basel guidance is expected to give clearer rules for custody, settlement, and exposure limits, making it easier for banks to decide whether and how to participate in crypto markets. Industry impact. Any loosening or clarification of rules could be consequential. Banks are essential for fiat on- and off-ramps, custody services, and institutional access. A more predictable regulatory environment could reduce frictions, open the door to greater institutional investment, and accelerate the integration of crypto services into mainstream banking products. Market response. The market has already reacted to the news of Basel's review, with analysts largely viewing clearer guidance as a positive for investor confidence and institutional adoption. That said, outcomes will depend on the specifics of the rules and how national regulators implement them. Closing. The Basel Committee's rethink comes at a pivotal moment. Stablecoins are rising. Central banks are eyeing digital currencies, and banks are reassessing their role. Watch for the committee's guidance to influence not just bank behavior, but the broader pace and shape of crypto's integration into the financial system. That's the update for today. We'll keep following how the rules and markets evolve.